Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held a meeting with his Papua New Guinea counterpart James Marape and discussed a broad range of bilateral relations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday met with leaders of several Pacific island countries, including with his Fijian counterpart and Palau's president, as part of India's efforts to boost ties with these nations. The third G20 Tourism Working Group meeting will begin in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir today. It will continue till Wednesday. India recovered 473 new coronavirus infections, while the active cases dipped to 7,623 on Monday. In IPL cricket, Gujarat Titans knocked Royal Challengers Bangalore out of the IPL with a 6-wicket victory in the last league match at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru last night.